Despite their popularity and convenience, drug detox kits often don't work. Quitting cold turkey and not properly researching detoxification for your specific substance can be a deadly combination. The drug detox kit method is common for people who want to get drugs out of their system fast. But these drug detox kits might be more hurtful than they are helpful. Using a drug detox kit can be risky. It may lead to side effects like psychosis and won't address your withdrawal symptoms, which can sometimes be fatal. Detox kits are sold in stores as pills or liquids. While they promise quick results, they lack long-term benefits, as they do nothing to prepare you for the long road towards recovery. Medical detox, unlike kits, offers supervised care with medical counseling, medications, and support for physical and psychological dependence. Medical detox ensures a safe, monitored process with professional help to manage withdrawal and provide a path to recovery. Recovery involves addressing mental, physical, and spiritual aspects of addiction, far beyond what detox kits offer. If you or a loved one struggle with alcohol or substance use, the Recovery Village can help. Our comprehensive, physician-led addiction treatment program can help you overcome addiction and live a life free from alcohol and substance abuse. Contact our recovery advocates today at 855-239-9898 to get started.